Pets. You love them. So you buy them a delightfully squishy memory foam bed, a comfy place to unwind at the end of the day. And you know they love it. It's so comfortable. They all come running. Even the ones who maybe shouldn't be in the house. The cover is extra soft and cozy, so your pets won't ever want to move. We all know how messy some pets can be. Thank goodness for a removable, washable cover. Our beds also fit in any standard size crate for any standard or not so standard size animal. With a variety of colors and sizes, Brindle beds can change to match any decor. Plus, Brindle donates a pet bed every day. Now that's a positive impact. For all your pets, Brindle's the perfect choice.
The Gorilla Grip Protection Pad is the only thing you'll need to help keep your bed and furniture clean and dry. The top layer is very soft and provides superior comfort. The slip-resistant backside helps prevent slipping and bunching for comfort day or night. The 4-layer design quickly absorbs and disperses liquid throughout the pad. The leak-resistant edge captures liquid and prevents it from leaking. It can absorb up to 8 cups of liquid. Our pad is easy to wash. Simply throw it in the washing machine and tumble dry. Your pad will be ready to offer superior protection time and time again.